Customizing a completion certificate. ProProfs allows you to provide a professional certificate of completion of a course or a quiz to your learners. Certificates can carry your name and signature, along with your branding or logo. To get started, go to Settings and enable Completion Certificate. You can choose from our library of professionally designed certificates or upload your own custom design. Customize the template by dragging placeholder fields such as name for where you want the learner's name to go, title, where the course or quiz title will go, date, where you want the completion date, and many more. These fields will be automatically filled to create the personalized certificate for your learners. You can also add text, bold or italicize, or change font size and color of automatically filled content. Learners can print, email, or share the certificate. Preview to make sure it looks good. You're all done! And that's how easy it is to customize a completion certificate.